Hello students, in this video session we shall study the story The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. I shall explain the story with its text. So the story is in this way. It was Somi's idea that we should meet at the pool in 10 years' time. So in the very beginning line uh, we can notice that there is some place to meet at a pool in 10 years time, and the writer gives the name of Somi. He introduces the first character of the short story, Somi, as the first line is, it was Somi's idea. It was the idea of Somi, the name of a person, that we should meet at the pool in 10 years time. We here refers that except Somi there are some other person in the story. When we are men, he said, we must come back to this place. Somi said that when they will grow as a man, they would come back to that place 10 years from today. They fix a day 10 years from today. From that day. Rusty. At midday on the 5th of April 1964. Somi says to Rusty that after 10 years from that day, at midday on the 5th of April 1964, we must return to the pool. He advises them that they would meet to that pool after 10 years time on the fixed date 5th of April 1964. No matter where we are or what we are doing, or if we are married and have children, we must meet at the pool. Promise. Somi says to Rusty that after 10 years time duration, on the 5th of April 1964, they would return to the pool. It doesn't matter where they would be and what they would be doing, whether they would be married or have children, but they would meet their promise. He says him to make promise of this thing that at the midday on the 5th of April 1964 they would meet there. Promise, I said. As Somi was talking to Rusty, so the narration is from the character Rusty. I said promise. As Somi suggested that they would meet, I said. The narrative, the narration of the story is in first person, I. Rusty said, I here is Rusty. Rusty said, promise. Promise, said Anil. Here the writer introduces the third character of the story, Anil. Anil also promises there. It was a schoolboy's place and made in deadly earnest. Narration goes on in this way. It was a schoolboy's place. So the three boys were schoolboys and made in deadly earnest. They made this oath, they took this oath, they made this pledge seriously. As boys, we usually mean the things we say. As boys, as boys, when when the boys are students, they usually mean in young age, they mean the things we say. What they say, they do according to that. And so we shook hands on it and dived back into the water. After making place, they shook hands on this place and dived back. They dived back into the water. The pool had discovered by me a few months earlier. The narration is from the character Rusty. So the lines are said by Rusty. The pool had been discovered by me. The pool was discovered by Rusty a few months earlier. I remember that it was going to rain. He remembers that it was going to rain. I could see the rain moving across the foothills, and I could smell it on the breeze. As it was going to rain, so there was a smell of rain on the breeze, on the morning wind. But instead of turning homewards, I pushed my way through the leaves and brambles that grew across the forest path. I had heard the murmur of water at the bottom of the hill, and I wanted to see the water and touch it. But instead of turning homewards, as there was going to rain, but instead of returning to home, I pushed my way through the leaves. He made his way through the leaves and brambles. Brambles means dry bushes, rough shrubs. He made his way through leaves and dry bushes that grew across the forest path. Means he went towards the forest. I had heard the murmur of water at the bottom of the hill. I had heard the murmur of water, murmuring sound of the water. He had heard the murmuring sound of the water at the bottom of the hill, and I wanted to see the water and touch it. He wanted to see the water at the bottom of the hill, and he wanted to touch the water. So, in this uh, the writer gives description of the natural scenes of that place.